I'm just trying to get everything that we need first.
What?
I'm just trying to get everything that we need first.
What's wrong?
The bathroom is just sort of a mess.
No, it's not.
This is soaked, Cam. You didn't rinse that out.
Okay, Stephanie, do an intro.
I can't. You're doing the intro. No, you're not.
I'm gonna put it in the vlog, but who knows when I'm gonna use it.
And you're talking. I'm not talking. Hey guys, what's going on? Steph here with Cam. So, not happening. Why'd you do that?
Wait, is the audio on? What's going on, guys? Cam here, back again with Stephanie. Today we're actually doing her makeup. So I think this is going to be a pretty funny video. Might do my own makeup too, because we're going out to a party. You gotta look style. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, remember to drop a like on it, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment what you guys want to see in the next video. But let's get started with this. What's the first process?
Primer.
Primer. Which one's primer? This guy?
Yeah. How'd you know?
I just picked backwards. I thought I was wrong. So what do I do?
I always just no. Put it on that can.
Where? Why are you putting so much?
Okay.
Then what do I use?
You can use your finger. You can use a sponge.
This is a sponge?
No, that's it.
Where?
No. What are you doing?
Okay.
Whoa, that's a little. Why so much?
What?
Oh my god.
It's like painting a photo. You gotta put it in all. Like, did you not watch me just paint my birdhouse?
I did, but I didn't.
Did you put it up your nose too?
Not on my nose.
On your nose? Is your face nice and moisturized, Joe?
Oh no, you just.
Babe, this is supposed to be me doing it.
I know what.
Stop taking control.
I have OCD.
Stop taking control here.
Oh my lord. No, not my eyelashes, Cameron.
Did I wreck them?
Move! Oh my god, move!
What did I do?
Cameron, my one is in the thing.
No. What did I do?
Hang on,
Can I use the rest of this?
let me just feel around my face.
More is always better.
No.
What do you mean?
No. Don't ever make that a rule for yourself. You just
More
got my makeup
is
brush,
always
but
better.
you're stop the camera. You're not posting this. You're not doing anything with this content. Not at all. You were irritating the living hell out of me. Let me just do my own makeup. Get out of here.
What?
You won't. You're not listening to it. Don't stop touching my butt. Stopping this myself.
Photo at the end. Okay? So, Steph,
What?
this is a new video.
Okay.
So you know the drill.
Need email.
True, yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, hey guys, what's going on? Stephanie here again for another video for you guys. We are
Can
back
I
at...
turn it down?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Steph, can you turn it down for the vlog?
I'm like shouting.
Down! Go.
Oh my god, again?
Go.
This is the most I've ever done an intro. Okay, hey guys, what's going on? Stephanie here, back with another video for you guys. We are back at Trav's.
What are we doing here?
We're drinking at Trav's Garage again, just like the last vlog. You probably haven't seen it because Cam hasn't uploaded it, but whatever. Okay, Trav, we gotta do the intro together because I can't do it by myself.
Okay.
Okay, talk.
Is it rolling? So, welcome to the garage.
Faster than that, Jeff. Remember?
Okay, here. Ready? Go.
Start it again. Redo it.
Like, hey guys, Trevor here from Super Dan Camp 12. Cool.
Hey, this is Travis Stephanie from Super Dan Camp 12, 1, 2, 3. We're here at the garage. This is the start of the summer. We're gonna have a great summer. We're gonna make it a very good time. I hope so.
I hope so.
This is Blue, by the way. I don't know if you want to zoom in on this very cute dog. Very cute. Not for sale, though. Not for sale. We're here at the garage. We got people from Mohawk here. We got people from the local area. Stephanie, you have anything to say?
We're back at Trav's Garage drinking again. We're gonna go shoot some fireworks, play some games, drink, have a good time.
What was that face there, Trav?
I mean, that kind of sounded like a drag the way you said it, to be honest with you. That kind of sounded bad.
You're so rude. It wasn't bad, it's just the way it sounded.
For sure. Hopefully it's a good night. I mean,
It will be a good night.
I hope so. I hope so. I haven't done this in forever, so I mean.
Look what we got. That's a bad picture, but what do we have?
I mean, if you want to shoot Roman candles at each other, we can do it.
We've got some fireworks.
Can I shoot you with a Roman candle?
No.
All you gotta do is
Can I shoot him with the Roman candle?
You get hit, and then you run
Hey.
after you get hit, and then you keep getting shot.
Can I shoot him with the Roman candle?
No, are you crazy? Who does
animal
not want to
abuse.
get hit?
There were no dogs hurt in the making of this YouTube video.
There better not be.
Look into it. Close. Tell me when you cannot focus anymore. You can focus there. You can see clearly. Lying.
Yeah, I
You can
can.
see clearly?
I can focus my eyes.
Is this recording or no?
No.
Okay.
Just go close if you can't focus.
I can't. There's too much going on in there.
Try it again. Here. You're holding it so you can focus.
Okay. No. There. Wait.
Trav, you're not blind.
No, you can't.
I can't focus. What am I looking at?
Just look at the center until you can't focus anymore.
So how long have you wanted to join the industry for?
I can't. Shut up with that.
Shannon, you said you wanted to be in the vlog?
Yeah,
Hey guys,
broke,
Mitch,
alright.
Mitch.
Hurry now.
Like and
Get
subscribe.
back over here.
Tweet me
Like
at
and
Shannon.
freaking subscribe.
Like and subscribe at
Hurry
Twitter.
now.
We don't have Twitter, but we
What are
We-
you talking about Twitter? Why are you
we-
hugging me?
because we're the
You're
boys.
acting kind of weird. Subscribe to the channel
Subscribe.
and like and comment below.
That's
Pam
what I
is a
said
good
last week.
Okay, guys, this is the vlog for May 24th.
May 19th. What are you saying? May 24th? That's bullshit. May
I'm fucking
18th.
drunk, yo.
It's the 18th. Thank you. I got close with the other shot.
Car crash.
Do you want to do the intro instead?
Oh God, no.
If you're gonna step in, you have to do the intro.
I'm just an innocent bystander.
Ah! So it's May 18th.
Mitchell.
She's got brain damage. Don't listen to her.
Mitchell's fucked. He doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. Mitchell smoked a lot of fucking chooches and darts. I crashed in the mailbox.
Shannon got in a car crash.
What do you have to say about
If
that?
any police are watching this, she's a criminal.
Mitchell's on crack cocaine, so don't listen to him.
Wanna light it?
What the fuck is this shit? Why we got a torch ass?
Wanna light it or me?
This is my friend Amber. We work together. She's fucking famous as fuck, yo. Like, no clout, yo. No clout, yo.
Don't forget to check out the story post.
Swipe up. I was really confused why he had that. I thought that was like, I don't know what I thought that was. He has like a lot of YouTube subscribers. Like, we're gonna be YouTube famous, yo. Okay, let's go meet Travis.
West Virginia.
Mount Mama.
Take me home. Tongue in your mouth. How old are you? Huh?
No. Your beer's over there. Eh? You're gonna spill it.
Can you pass me it?
No.
Please? Cheers.
Can we do our handshake?
Yeah. Can you vlog this for me, somebody? So don't forget to check out this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to swipe up, drop a like, check it on Snapchat, check it on Instagram. It's gonna be on this person, it's gonna be on this person, it's gonna be on all y'all Snapchats. So don't forget to check it.
Say that. You can't say that.
Okay, let's retake this shit. Retake.
Oh my god, don't stop my shit this time. Ready?
So guys, don't forget to check out this video. If you do remember, drop a like on it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this in the near future. I feel like I'm pretty far from the camera, so we're gonna sit at about right here. We're at a party vlogging this shit with Stephanie here. We got Trav on the vlog. Haven't been vlogging with him in a long time. Everybody's staring at me. It's gonna be a great time. Lou's down here. Check out the rest of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Thank you.